What is going on, everybody? Logan here for a new video. Now I'm going to be giving y'all my personal experience with the Power Stop brakes and rotor kit from American Muscle. This is now what I ordered them in 2015 and it's now 2019, so it's 4 years of them being on my car, and I installed them right when my car had 35,000 miles. Now I have 99,000 miles, so I mean just right there, almost 65,000 miles they've been on my car. So what kind of results have I gotten? Have they failed on me? Well, y'all about to find out. And my wheels are dirty, don't crucify me, but starting off with the front rotors, you can see that these are the ones that are going to get the hottest because they take a brunt of the stopping power. Well, I mean, what besides that little rust ring that's in the middle and that little tiny one up top that's naturally going to form just because that's where the brake pads don't touch, this rotor is good. I've seen pictures of people sharing how and the where the drills are, where the holes are, that it's cracking, and I don't understand why that is. I mean, I've taken my car to the track multiple times. I mean, I've gone down the drag strip at least 20 times, and that from 115, which is the fastest I've ran, to a 30 miles an hour, your brakes get hot. So I haven't had any kind of problem with it cracking. 65,000 miles, no kind of issue. And the fronts, they still look good. The rears, you can see how, the rust ring is a little bit bigger on the inside and outside, but again, that's just from where the brake pads don't touch. But again, these rotors are not bad. There's no cracking. I mean, I don't understand, because on my last car, even my 2005 V6 Mustang, I had these on. Those ones I had on a little bit longer. I had them on for from 130,000 miles to 200,000 miles, so 70,000 miles there. And again, no issue, no issue with it cracking. They didn't warp or anything like that. And actually, that was the reason that both times that I chose to go with Power Stop, is because my stock rotors, they got warped and it was time for a brake change. So I was like, what, might as well go ahead and buy a kit, where I have all right-ish brake pads and drilled and slotted rotors because they look really cool, and I haven't had any kind of issue. So me personally, I don't know, maybe I got some good batch or something, because everyone says that these rotors are trash. With my personal experience, I haven't seen that they're bad. But going to the other rear, which I know my car is dirty, again, don't crucify me, but again, there y'all can see, no kind of issue at all. No cracking, no issue with my braking being any worse or anything like that. They're not warped. And again, this is like 65,000 miles later, going to the drag strip. And again, with the fronts, these are going to take the brunt of the stopping power. And again, no kind of issue. So me personally, I don't really see why people are trashing these rotors so much. Yeah, they're cheap, and I don't know, maybe people, they see, that they're so cheap, that, they relate that kind of cheap quality, which typically when it comes to car parts, yes, that is the way it goes. But I've had no issue with these, and it's been, again, 65,000 miles. So if y'all are running these same things, let me know down below, what y'all's experiences are. If they did fail, how long did you have them on your car before they failed, any kind of heat spots or anything like that. Let me know down in the comments below. And if you're interested in picking up a pair of these, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below, just straight to the Power Stop, maybe American Muscle, or maybe Amazon if they have that. Personally, I would give these a solid 8 out of 10, just because there is some discoloration. They're not brand new, brand spanking new like the day I got them, but there's no kind of issue I have. So let me know y'all's experience with these brakes and rotor pads. I will say the brakes, they aren't the best ones you can get. I've already changed those out because they didn't crack or anything, but it was just time for a brake change. And whenever I did upgrade the brakes, that was a significant increase in my stopping power. So with the rotors, no issue at all. The brake pads, they could be better, but hey, you can order just the rotors alone if you want to, and then go ahead and pick up a nice set of good ceramic brakes. So me personally, I recommend them. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.